Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about exercise 11.2. Complete exercise is based on trigonometric ratios. So before you start listening to this video, please make sure that you know all the values for 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees of all the 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay, now let us start. Sine 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. Sine 45 value is 1 by root 2 plus cos 45 also 1 by root 2. Now here both the denominators are same, so write it once. Add the numerators. 1 plus 1 2. And we know one basic logic is that in the denominator we don't want any irrational number. So to remove this irrational number which is in the denominator, we will multiply and divide the total by root 2 again. 2 into root 2, 2 root 2 by root 2 into root 2, 2. So 2 will get cancelled, we remains with root 2. So the value of sine 45 plus cos 45 is root 2. Next, second question, if you observe, what is the value of cos 45 divided by secant 30 plus cosecant 60? Cos 45 value is 1 by root 2 whole divided by secant 30 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 60 is again 2 by root 3. Now the numerator as it is 1 by root 2 whole divided by, in the denominator if we observe this part, these two denominators again same, so we can add the numerators. 2 plus 2 4 by root 3. Now this total numerical part write as it is 1 by root 2 into this total denominator part write the reciprocal. So 4 by root 3 reciprocal is root 3 by 4. 1 into root 3 divided by 4 into root 2, 4 root 2. Again here also same, in the denominator we have an irrational number, so we don't want that irrational number, so that's why I'll multiply this total by root 2 by root 2. Root 3 into root 2, root 6 divided by, here root 2 into root 2 is 2, 2 into 4, 8. So the value of cos 45 divided by secant 30 plus cosecant 60 is root 6 divided by 8. Next, question number 3 is sine 30 plus tan 45 minus cosecant 60 divided by cot 45 plus cos 60 minus secant 30. Here first term is sine 30. Sine 30 value is 1 by 2 plus tan 45. Tan 45 value is 1 minus cosecant 60. Cosecant 60 value is 2 by root 3 whole divided by cot 45 1 plus second term cos 60 1 by 2 minus secant 30 2 by root 3. Now if we observe all the terms which are there in the numerator as well as in the denominator, here 1 by 2 is there, here also 1 by 2, here plus 1, here also plus 1, here minus 2 by root 3, here also minus 2 by root 3. So all the terms which are there in the numerator as well as in the denominator are same. So it means the value of the numerator is exactly equal to the value of the denominator. So total will get cancelled, we will remain with 1 because the numerator value is exactly equals to the denominator value because every term is same. So final answer is 1. Next, 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. Here 2 is there, so 2 as it is into tan square 45. Tan square 45 is nothing but tan 45 whole square. So tan 45 value is 1 whole square plus cos square 30. Cos square 30 is nothing but cos 30 whole square, that is root 3 by 2 whole square minus sine square 60. Sine 60 value square. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2 whole square. If you observe here, plus root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square. These two terms will get cancelled to each other. So we will remain with 2 of 1 square is 1. So 2 into 1, 2. Let's move to next question. Secant square 60 minus tan square 60 whole divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Here secant square 60 is nothing but secant 60 whole square minus tan square 60 is nothing but tan 60 whole square whole divided by sin square 30 is nothing but sin 30 whole square plus cos square 30 is nothing but cos 30 whole square. Now let us substitute the values. First one, secant 60 is 2. So 2 square, minus tan 60 root 3 whole square whole divided by sin 30 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 30 root 3 by 2 whole square. Now 2 square 4 minus square root and square cancel, so 3 whole divided by 1 by 2 whole square. So this square is for numerator as well as for denominator also. So 1 square is 1 by 2 square is 4 plus here also same, this square is for numerator as well as for denominator. So root 3 whole square, square root cancel, so remains with 3 by 2 square 4. If you observe the numerator, 4 minus 3, 1 whole divided by. In this denominator part, again here we have two denominators the same. So write it 1. 1 plus 3, 4. Here 4 will get cancelled. So we remains with 1 by 1, which is nothing but 1. So the value of secant square 60 minus tan square 60 divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30 is 1. Simply we can do this as secant square 60 minus tan square 60 is an identity, which is secant square theta minus tan square theta, which is equals to 1. This is identity. Next, sin square 30 plus cos square 30 is the first identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equals to 1. So secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1, as well as sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So total numerator value is 1, total denominator value is 1. So 1 divided by 1 is nothing but 1. Same like this. Okay, next in the second bit, again sub questions are there. So if you look at the question, 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 45. So 2 as it is into tan 30 1 by root 3 whole divided by 1 plus tan square 45 is nothing but tan 45 whole square. So tan 45 value is 1. So 1 square. If we solve the numerator, 2 into 1 by root 3, 2 by root 3 whole divided by 1 plus 1, 2. So the numerator 2 by root 3 as it is, this 2 nothing but 2 by 1. So if we make it reciprocal into 1 by 2, 2 cancel, so we remains with 1 by root 3. So the question, value of 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 45 is 1 divided by root 3. So now in this second bit only he gave some options, actually objectives they gave. So we need to find which one is the correct option for that. So 1 by root 3, which trigonometric ratio will satisfy this value as 1 divided by root 3? That is nothing but tan 30. Because tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. The same way cot 60 also, because cot 60 value is also 1 by root 3 only. So out of these two, which one is available, that will be the correct option, either tan 30 or else cot 60. Okay, let's move to next question. 1 minus tan square 45 divided by 1 plus tan square 45. 1 minus tan square 45 is nothing but tan 45 whole square. So tan 45 is 1. So 1 square by 1 plus tan square 45 nothing but tan 45 whole square. So tan 45 value is 1. It means 1 square. 1 minus 1 square is 1 by 1 plus 1 square is 1. 1 minus 1 0 by 1 plus 1 2. 0 divided by anything is 0. So the value of 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45 is 0. Next question is 2 tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan square 30. 2 into tan 30 1 by root 3 whole divided by 1 minus tan square 30. Tan square 30 is nothing but tan 30 whole square. So that is 1 by root 3 whole square. 2 into 1 by root 3. 2 by root 3 whole divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square is nothing but this square is applicable for numerator as well as for denominator. So 1 square is 1 by root 3 square 3. Again numerator as it is 2 by root 3 whole divided by 3 ones are 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 2 divided by 3. Now this total numerical part as it is 2 by root 3 into reciprocate this denominator 3 by 2. Here 2 will get cancelled, so we remains with 3 by root 3. Okay, now in the denominator we don't want any irrational number, so multiply and divide by root 3 again into root 3 divided by root 3. 3 times root 3. 3 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 3. So this 3 will get cancelled. Finally we remains with the answer root 3. Then root 3 is the value of which trigonometric ratio? It is tan 60 or else cot 30. Out of these two, which one is available in the options? That will be the correct option. Next question number 3 is evaluate sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. Then again he is asking one more question also. What is the value of sin of 60 plus 30? So first I am going to solve this. Sin 60 into cos 30. Sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60. Now let us substitute one by one. Sin 60 it is root 3 by 2 into cos 30 again root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 1 by 2 into cos 60 1 by 2. Root 3 into root 3 it is 3 by 2 2s are 4 plus 1 1s are 1 by 2 2s are 4. Both the denominators are same, so we can add the numerators. 3 plus 1 4 by 4 nothing but 1. So the value of sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60 is 1. Next, what is the value of sin of 60 plus 30? Sin of 60 plus 30. So sin 60 plus 30 is nothing but 90 degrees. So what is the value of sin 90? It is 1. So in these two cases we got the same answer. So from this we can conclude one thing, that is sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60 is equals to sin of 60 plus 30. Sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60 is exactly equals to the value of sin of 60 plus 30. So this only, if we keep it in AB's, sin of A plus B is equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is the formula. Sin of A plus B is equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay, next question. Is it right to say cos of 60 plus 30 is equals to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30? So first here LHS and RHS both are there. So I'm going to solve LHS first. Cos of 60 plus 30. Cos 60 plus 30 is nothing but 90. Cos 90, it is 0. Then I'll solve the RHS now. In the RHS we have cos 60 cos 30. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 into cos 30 root 3 by 2 minus sin 60 root 3 by 2 into sin 30 1 by 2. 1 into root 3 by 2 into 2 4 minus root 3 into 1 root 3 by 2 2s are 4. Root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 will get cancelled, so we remains with 0. Here LHS also 0, RHS also 0. So from these two we can conclude that LHS is equals to RHS. It means cos of 60 plus 30 is equals to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30. The same we can write it in the form as cos of A plus B is equals to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is formula. Cos of A plus B is equals to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay, let's have a look at the question number 5. In right angle triangle PQR, so we have PQR right angle triangle, where the right angle is at Q. So here it is Q means this is P, this will become R. We have a right angle triangle PQR where right angle is at Q. PQ is 6 centimeters, PQ is 6 centimeters, and angle RPQ, this angle is given as 60 degrees. Then determine the lengths of QR and PR. So this QR as well as this PR is asking. So now by using the trigonometric ratios we need to find out. So let us check how to find. So here 60 degrees is given. For this 60 degrees, this is opposite and this is adjacent. This one is opposite and this one is adjacent. So which trigonometric ratio will discuss about opposite and adjacent? It is tan as well as cot, because tan theta. So here it is angle, so that's why I'm writing tan P. Tan is equals to opposite divided by adjacent. So for this P, opposite is QR divided by adjacent is PQ. Instead of taking tan P, if you take cot P also, you will get the same. Cot P, if we take cot is nothing but adjacent by opposite. So adjacent is PQ by opposite is QR. In these two cases, we will get the same answer. So I am going to take this tan P. Let us check once. Tan P is equals to QR. We don't know, so as it is, I am writing QR divided by PQ. PQ is given as 6 units. Then what about tan P? Here he gave it as 60 degrees. So instead of P, I am writing tan 60 is equals to QR by 6. Tan 60 value root 3 is equals to QR by 6. We want QR value, so I will take this 6 to the left side. So QR is equals to 6 times root 3. Remaining measurements are in centimeters, so this is also centimeters. So QR we got as 6 root 3. Then still we need to find out one more side, that is PR or hypotenuse. Now angle is there, opposite is there, and we want hypotenuse. So which trigonometric ratio will discuss about opposite hypotenuse? It is sine and cosecant. So out of these two you can take any one, so that's why I'm going with sine. So sine 60 degrees is equals to opposite 6 root 3 divided by hypotenuse, don't know. Sine 60 value root 3 by 2 is equals to 6 root 3 by PR. Cross multiplication, PR into root 3 or else root 3 into PR is equals to 6 2s are 12 times root 3. Here root 3 will get cancelled, so we remains with PR is equals to 12. All the measurements are in centimeters, so that's why this is also centimeter. So PR value is 12 centimeter and QR value is 6 root 3 centimeters. Here, instead of using sine 60, we can solve it by Pythagoras theorem also, because 6 one side and 6 root 3 second side. Two sides are there with us. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, we can find the third side. If you go with that also, we will get the same answer. Okay, next question number 6. In triangle XYZ, right angle is at Y. Right angle is at Y. This is X, this is Z. YZ is equals to small x. This YZ measurement is given as small x, and XZ is equals to 2 times x. XZ, this hypotenuse, is given as 2 times small x. And he is asking to find angle YXZ. YXZ, this angle, as well as YZX, this angle. He gave two sides and he is asking about two angles. So let us find how to find those angles. Okay, first I am going to find this angle Z. Angle Z is equals to, if we observe this Z angle, this x will become the adjacent side and this 2x will become the hypotenuse. So adjacent is there and hypotenuse is there. Which trigonometric ratio will discuss about adjacent and hypotenuse? Obviously cos and secant. So I am going with the cos. So cos Z is equals to adjacent x, hypotenuse 2x. Here x will get cancelled, so we remains with 1 by 2. Cos Z is equals to 1 by 2. Cos of which ratio will give the value as 1 by 2? It is 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees is equals to 1 by 2. So that's why angle Z is equals to 60 degrees. This we got as 60 degrees now. One more is there, we need to find out that now. Angle is there. This x will become opposite, 2x will become hypotenuse. Which ratio will discuss about opposite and hypotenuse? Sine and cosecant. So I am going to take sine. You can take cosecant also, same answer will be. Sine x is equals to opposite is small x divided by hypotenuse is 2x. So sin x is equals to, here x cancels, so we remains with 1 by 2. Which ratio of sine will give the value as 1 by 2? It is 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2. So here x, here 30 degrees. X is equals to, x value is 30 degrees, z is 60 degrees. And in the question itself we gave this is 90 degrees. 90, 30, 60. 90 degrees plus 30 degrees plus 60 degrees. Already we know in any triangle sum of all the three angles is equals to 180 degrees. Let us check whether we are getting 180 or not. 90 plus 30, 120, 120 plus 60, 180. Yes, we got it. Okay, let us check the last question in this exercise. Is it correct or is it right to say sine of a plus b is equals to sine a plus sine b? So first I am going to solve the LHS. While solving LHS as well as RHS, I am going to take the same ratio. A as 30 degrees and B as 60 degrees. So sine of A plus B is the LHS. then sine of A is 30 degrees plus B is 60 degrees. So sine 30 plus 60, 90. The value of sine 90 is 1. Now let us check the RHS also then. Sine A plus sine B. Sine A 30 degrees we took as A, so sine 30 plus sine B is nothing but 60 degrees. So sine 30 value is 1 by 2 plus sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Here both the denominators are same, so let us add the numerators. 1 plus root 3. Here root 3, this term is an irrational number, and whereas 1 is the rational number, so we cannot simplify this further. So the final answer is 1 plus root 3 divided by 2. Here we got the LHS as 1, and whereas the RHS is 1 plus root 3 by 2. Both are completely different. Both are not at all equal. So we can conclude sine of A plus B is not equals to sine A plus sine B, because in the previous problem only we observed the formula of sine of A plus B. Sine of A plus B original or correct one is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. This is the correct formula for sine of A plus B. Sine of A plus B is equals to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Here sorry A. Sine of A plus B equals to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. If you didn't watch my previous videos, the link is in the description. Watch it. Thank you.